Hello students, how are you? This is Amit Nagpal, your math teacher. I welcome you in ASM School channel. In class 5th today we are going to start unit number 4, addition and subtraction. So let's see what happens in this unit. For addition we have mainly two working rule. Rule number 1, write the numbers in place value chart one below the other. मीन्स हमें नंबर्स को प्लेस वाली चार्ट के अकॉर्डिंग एक दूसरे के नीचे राइट करना है. स्टार्ट एडिंग फ्रॉम द एक्सट्रीम राइट कॉलम एंड प्रोसीड टू लेफ्ट. हमें जो राइट करना है ऐड करने के लिए एक्सट्रीम राइट से स्टार्ट करना है, बिल्कुल राइट से, और फिर उसके बाद में लेफ़्ट की ओर आना है. अगर हम इन रूल्स को फॉलो करेंगे तो एडिशन कभी गलत नहीं होगा. Take the problem number A on page number 33. There are 8 addition sums, and first I am doing second part. In second part we start from extreme right, as I told you in the rule. 8 and 7 15, there is one carry you can take here. 7 and 1 8. 6 and 4 10, there is one carry you can take here. 3 and 1 4. 4 and 3 7. 3 and 0 3. 2 and 2 4 and 5. So this is your answer. You can put commas according to Indian system. 5 ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. 5 crore 43 lakh 74,085 is your answer. Thank you. And let's take the problem number 8th of the same 8th part of problem number A. In this problem we have to add of the three values 2 4 6 6 and 5. 2 4 6 6 and 5 11 1 carry. 7 and 1 8. 8 and 2 10, again 1 carry. 1 and 1 2. 2 and 5 7 and 5 12, 1 carry again. 3 and 1 4. 4 and 4 8. 8 and 17, 1 carry again. 8 and 1 9. 9 and 4 13, 1 carry again. 1 and 1 2 and 7 9, and there is 6. So this is your answer. 69,37,201. Let's take B problem. In B problem we are doing second part. In second part we have to add. There are two big numbers. First we write according to columns, and we can start adding from extreme right. 8 and 7 15, 1 carry. 6 and 1 7. 9 and 5 14, 1 carry. 7 and 4 11 and 1 12, again 1 carry. 6 and 1 7 and 3 10, again 1 carry. 5 and 2 7 and 1 8. 6 and 1 7. So we have to add always from extreme right. So extreme right, then we can add. So let's take problem number C, and we are taking its part third. We start with the column. For making column there must be proper gap. 4 5 2 3 3 4. Now we have to start from extreme right. Extreme right you can take here 4 5 2 9 3 4, and this 5 will become on this place. Then again from extreme right, third, for the third number 3 4 9 9 6 7 and 7. Now you can add easily. If you are taking from extreme right, then there is no chance of mistake, otherwise there may be mistake. 4 and 4 8. 8 and 3 11, 1 carry you can take here. 3 and 5 8. 8 and 4 12. 12 and 1 carry also there, and again 1 carry you can take here. 3 and 2 5 and 9 14 and 1 15, 1 carry you can take here. 2 and 1 3. 3 and 9 12. 12 and 9 21. 21, and there is 2 carries, so you can take here. 5 and 3 8. 8 and 6 14 and 2 16, again 1 carry. 4 and 4 8. 8 and 7 15. 15 and 1 16, 1 carry. 5 and 7 12. 12 and 1 13. So this is your answer. You can put comma according to Indian system. So we get ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1 crore 36 lakh 61,531. This is your answer. Taking problem number D, and we are doing here its third part. There are some blanks, some boxes are there, and we have to fill them with the proper digit. You can see 2 5 and 1 6. 6 and 2 8, and we need to complete 9, so we need here 1. You can put 1 in this box. Then 7 and 6 13. 13 and 2 15. 15 and 4 19, and 19 gives you only 9, and 1 carry to go that side. 1 and 3 4, 4 and 3 7, 7 and 3 10, 10, and you want to make 15, and for 15 you need here 5. So then you will get again 1 carry here. 1 and 0 1, 1 and 4 5, 5 and 5 10, 10, and you want here 6. It means you need here 6 so that it can become 16, and 1 carry again. 1 and 5 6, 6 and 6 12, but you want here 9, and for that you need here 7 so that it will be 19, and you get again 1 carry. 6 and 1 7, 7 and 1 8, but you want here 3. For that you need here 5 so that it will become 13, and you get 1 carry, and you can see that is the carry. You can get 1 carry here, and now it is matching. So this was the method of doing these fill-ups. You can do remaining parts. Now let's take E problem. There are word problems on page 34. On page 34, the first problem is a factory earned some profit in year 99. So factory earned in year 1999, that is 39726, 314. If we count them, we get ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 3 crore 97 lakh 26,314. In the next year, earning increased by equal to rupees 794,6,793. So if we count them, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 78 lakh 46,793. So for both the years we have to count that, and then we have to tell the how much did the factory earn in year 2000, because after 1999 we get year 2000. So in the year 2000 this was the increasement, so we can get the earning of 2000, earning of year 2000. It means we have to add these two numbers, equal to 39726,314 plus 784,6793. So we will add them. How can we add? We have done already. So we have to add them. We will add by using column methods. Make the columns 3, 9, 7, 2, 6, 3, 1, 4, and we start from extreme right. 3, 9, 7, 6, 4, 8, 7, and use plus sign here. Now you can add 4 and 3 7, 9 and 1 10, 1 carry here, we get 11, again 1 carry, we get 13, again 1 carry, then 7 and 8 15, here 1 carry, 9 and 7 16, 1 17, 1 carry, and we get 4. Put the commas. So 4 crore 75 lakh 73,107. This was the earning of year 2000 in rupees. So this was your answer. Let's take its problem number 7. So, problem number 7. A manufacturer produced shirts during 2 successive years. 2 लगातार सालों में उसने shirts बनाई हैं, तो हमें उनका टोटल चाहिए. How can we add them? 3, 2, 5, 1, 6, 9, 8, 2. This is the production of year first, and in the second year 2, 4, 2, 6, 9, 3, 1 4. This is the production of second year. We have to add them. Total, for finding total production of shirts, total production equal to 2 and 2 4, 8 and 4 12, 1 carry, 9 and 2 11, 11 and 1 12, again 1 carry, 6 and 6 12, 12 and 13, 1 carry, 9 and 1 10 and 1 11, 1 carry again, 5 and 3 8 and 1 9, 2 and 1 3, and 3 and 4 7. Put the commas, first comma 3 digit, 2 digit, 7 crore 39 lakhs 13,224. This is the production of shirts in 2 years. So in this way you can do all the sum. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.